Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of coup d'etat. Coup d'etat. The crime of coup d'etat is governed by Article 134A of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 134A, the crime of coup d'etat is a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, threat, strategy, or stealth, directed against duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, or any military camp or installation, communication network, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power, singly or simultaneously carried out anywhere in the Philippines by any person or persons belonging to the military or police or holding any public office of employment, with or without civilian support or participation for the purpose of seizing or diminishing state power. Ang coup d'etat ay pag-atake ng palihim sa mga mahalagang institusyon ng pamahalaan na may mahalagang papel na gagampanan upang hindi na maging epektibo ang pamahalaan ng administrasyon. Ang ganitong pagkilos ay karaniwang inilulunsad ng militar at itinataguyod ng palihim ng ilang mataas na opisyal ng pamahalaan. From Article 134A, we can now enumerate the elements of the crime of coup d'etat, to wit: first, offender is a person or persons belonging to military or police or holding any public office or employment. Para maging successful ang coup d'etat, dapat yung mga rank and file na police or military ay payag sumunod sa mga utos ng bagong leader ng pamahalaan once na nagawa na ang krimen. Kaya ang ginagawa nila, nire-recruit nila yung mga importanteng mataas na opisyal sa military o pulisya bago pa nila simulan gawin yung krimen. Second element, it is committed by means of a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, threat, strategy, or stealth. Mabilisan, karahasan, pananakot, pagbabanta, madiskarte at mabilisang gawa. The success depends on the elements of surprise, swiftness, and secrecy. Halimbawa, hindi inaasahang pag-aresto at pagpatay sa kasalukuyang Pangulo at mga kaalyado nito sa gobyerno. Third element, attack is directed against duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines or any military camp or installation, communication networks, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power. Ito yung mga mahalagang institusyon ng pamahalaan na may mahalagang papel na gagampanan upang hindi na maging epektibo ang pamamahala ng administrasyon. Fourth element, purpose of the attack is to seize or diminish state power. Ang layunin ay sakupin ang pamahalaan o bawasan ang kapangyarihan ng Estado. Persons liable o sino nga ba ang mga nagkakasala sa krimeng ito? The principal offenders are members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines or of the Philippine National Police Organization or a public officer with or without civilian support. So AFP, PNP o public officer. Under Article 135, the following are also liable. First, any person who leads or in any manner directs or commands others to undertake a coup d'etat, leader. Second, any person in the government service who participates or execute directions or commands of others in undertaking a coup d'etat. Third, any person not in the government service who participates or in any manner supports, finances, abets, or aids in undertaking a coup d'etat. For unknown leaders, same rule po tayo sa rebellion. The crime of rebellion was discussed already in our previous video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.